All my sports fans out there are gonna love this video. If you need to formulate a plan to score on the offense, or if you need to draw up a play to stop the defense, you can develop your whole playbook right here in draw.io. I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to draw up a play in draw.io. No pun intended. It's honestly crazy how easy this is. First, we're gonna open up a blank diagram. After that, we'll go to the format panel on the right-hand side and click the option to change our background. Since I'm drawing up a football play, I'll drag in my football field background. Now we'll decide what shapes we'll use to indicate our players. I'm gonna use circles with red circles defense and blue circles on offense. Now once we have all of our players laid out in formation, we can give each player their assignment by dragging in our arrows. For this particular diagram, it's better to drag in your arrows manually than to use the blue directional arrows on the shape. This will give your arrows and lines optimal flexibility when drawing up routes for your receivers. Now for your offensive linemen that don't run routes and only have blocking assignments, you can change the end of your arrow to a horizontal line. I also like to change the color of my lines to yellow so they're easily visible on the green field. And if you want to change the size of your lines, you can do that in the format panel on the right hand side. And boom, you just drew up your first football play in draw.io. Not too shabby, coach. I'm willing to bet that you didn't know you could diagram that. If you had fun, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you have a wild trick play idea, drop it in the comments. Maybe we'll draw it up together. Thank you for hanging out, and until next time, happy diagramming.